know, it ain't me. Did a little promotion, you know. Ain't too many people come out, I don't know why, you know. But they don't stop nothing. Show must go on. I was prepared to shoot this bitch by my damn self. If I had to, you know.
Can I borrow your shoes? Nah, I fuck with y'all, man. It's Mr. Man, dog. Out here support my bro, man. Like always, man. Muscle Mind Entertainment.
Everybody got no apple. You ain't got no apple. You ain't poppin'. Huh? You got no fruit phones. You know what I'm saying? 2016, they said you ain't got no fruit. You ain't poppin'. Huh? Huh? You ain't poppin'. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yeah, take money, scrap, see, talk to move, nigga. My nigga bingo, Arsenal, man, the GIP, you niggas know how I go, man.
Every day, all day, nigga, but they rap with me. Y'all know how we do it.
You can't stop me, so just watch me. 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 You can't stop me, nigga. So just watch me, nigga. You can't stop me, nigga. So just watch me, nigga. You can't stop me, nigga. So just watch me, nigga.
Hey, man, talk to the camera, nigga.
Man, okay, fuck you. Damn, I ain't in jail or something. What's that, man? What's that, man?
Nigga in HD, man.
Behind the scenes.
Spawn is there.
Smooth shit for real. Hey.
My business, my business.
Got Pearl back here. Been knowing Pearl for a long time. Like family, you know. Got Tip in the car, she don't want to get seen. Come get Tip. Man, it's a lot of people don't be camera ready, man. It's spur of the moment. She wasn't camera ready, you know, she was just chilling at the house. She come out to support us anyway. Cause we like family. You know? I like bullshit, you know, they gotta do something a little different. I don't like it. I'm sure everybody else. I think I had like 2 pair of J's in my life. So just so you can't have a pair by your damn shit, you know. Ain't knocking nobody. You know, clean on it.
What's the name?
Like these motherfucking Steve, man. Yeah, I supposed to do a video for this hoe, but a nigga ran out of time, you know. Shit, fuck it, nigga, I'm gonna give you this hoe anyway. I say, by the way, this the unstoppable video. I'm finna give you some more shit though. Hold on. I say, and this some more hood shit. Some of the real niggas can vibe to the type of shit that make niggas fuck with me when I slide through, cause real relate. Fake niggas hate on me and what I do, I expose they bitch ass and I make it fly too. I do that. Welcome to the world and to the life of a G. I will keep my feelings to myself and keep my ears to these streets. I'm always talking about that real shit and practice what I preach. Failure is not an option and giving us for the weak. So I'm focused like I'm a sniper sitting on top of a roof. I live my life like I'm a soldier. So when you see me, salute me, nigga. And I do you the same thing if I feel like you could walk a week in my shoes and maintain. I'm in the field with the rest of the renegades. I stay on my P's and Q's because I ain't really trying to feel a flame. Show no love, love will get you killed. That's the way we was trained. This tough terrain, we just go through it and we'll know the pain. Yeah, I know I'm the creator of my own destiny. So when life stressing me, I don't question God, I question me. Like how did I and why did I end up in this predicament? Guess all the years of fucked up decisions and it's the consequences. I say fuck football and hooping, I'm a rap. I say fuck for saving a check, I'ma flip money at the trap, huh? My people try to talk a nigga out of selling dope, but you know you can't tell a nigga nothing when a nigga broke. You know, I already know. That's on that bingo show. I stop promoting that with fucking nigga. This is just a street song. I'm gonna give you something else. I say, Now every day is a struggle and everything a hustle. Sit on your ass if you want it, and I bet you gon' suffer. Can't expect something for nothing, that ain't the way it's structured. And if you want it, gotta go get it. So how bad do you want it? For these niggas with no goals, them hoes gon' be the top, and they brag about getting some pussy like they got something accomplished. After they done did the most, even came out of pocket. I said everything a hustle, she done made her a profit. Fuck them. The better they is, the better I treat them. I want them, but I gotta show them that a nigga don't need them. Do time, I figured out I don't need now nigga neither. Fuck that nigga ain't nothing. They paying my people. Now if I call you my people, that mean I really love you and expect certain shit from you because a nigga trust you. But it can switch though. Don't make a nigga be like fuck you. When all the trust is out the door, you just another motherfucker. Yeah. Look. One more. This is the last one. Got my nigga shit, man. Real nigga got my nigga man. Bees on his own. He say, look, free my nigga by the way, feel me? He say, I'm in these streets for real, baby, but I feel at home. And this is what it is, baby. And this is all I ever know. All I ever know. My time is near, baby. And I'm in my zone. So leave me alone if we ain't on the same shit. Cause I ain't flipping the script for now, bitch. I'm standing strong. No, he sound way better than me, but this is my verse on that. I say it. Sometimes I just be feeling like I've been cursed since birth, and the fact that I was born up in the ghetto only made it worse. Born a crack baby, so the way I grew up was berserk. When I look back on my childhood, it still hurt, but I'm through crying, nigga. Seen plenty lonely and hungry nights. Struggle so much to not adjust yourself, struggling as a part of life. Niggas glorifying these streets, but they ain't nothing nice, so better be precise. Better not move left if you should move right. This chess, this not checkers, fam. It's hard to find a helping hand, cause if you losing, that mean they winning, so they don't give a damn. But I'm awesome to mind, that mean my mind my weapon, so I'm really regardless, call me heartless, but it's fuck you niggas, and that's what it is. Fuck how you feeling too, cause when I was shedding tears looking for love, I could turn to you, cause you'll probably sit and look and laugh just like a nigga do, but fuck it, cause my time is coming, nigga, I can feel it too. That's all I got for you and me, that's the real shit, nigga. The whole team speak the
Pistol so ridiculous, bullets kill like Ebola, been lighting up in the house, they head nigga around me, soldiers dressing out there like a ninja, blowing up shit like 9/11, first 48 in the city, running shit like I'm Diddy, niggas killing for pennies, I'm killing to make a living, I swear the Lord is my witness, try me, I'm killing family, when I'm hungry I eat like Hannibal talking cannon, wildin' out with no nick, play pussy, you get dick, sitting round till your kidneys, bullets got no navigation, this killer be killed, welcome to the field, shit real, hood nigga fuck a deal on my always remain real, when y'all mention murder, make sure my city get mentioned with it, I'm right. Hey, me, man. Man, if you sleep on us, my nigga, we gonna wake you up, nigga. Freddy Cougar, nigga.
Hey,
we got chill.
I got something. Yo, Gala, so remember this shit, swear gang shit, nigga. See, I done been through a lot, so I gotta chase this guap. Niggas ain't that I'm hot, you can love me or not, but the grind don't stop. You can tell by my watch. Niggas wanna buy my watch, but the shit didn't stop. See me by myself, hell no, that's a lie. I straight cook a nigga, call him up like a fry. I done been through so much that I barely fucking cry. RP to my auntie, wish you was still alive. I kill for my family and my fucking squad. Every gang to my niggas, watch, we gon' be on top. I never tell a secret, that's word on my pops. Don't trust nobody, cause you might be a op. Tryna chase the green, man, no, never fucking stop. I be dripping, I be spilling, I'm gonna need a mop. We were rolled, that's my block. Shout out to the bro, yeah, we made that stop.
Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Hey, man, this shit ain't stopping, man.
26 times.
It's just the beginning of this shit, man. More to come. Non-stop.
Motherfucker, man. Heat, man. I'm telling you, man. Watch out for him, man.
You got that shit go down, man. Homestead, man. Rosewood, Ben Laden, man.
Like them shit out here?
Yeah.